Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Tune guitar to drop B. BF-BEG-C#. Start by dialing a metronome to 160 BPM so you internalize the song's driving tempo. Use a high-gain amp or pedal set around 7 to 8 with scooped mids and tight low end. This gets the aggressive tone without flubby low frequencies. Use a 7-string or baritone with heavy strings, 10-13 gauge or higher, for tension and clarity on low notes. Set a short delay, a subtle plate reverb, and tighten the low pass on your amp to tame mud. Play tight palm-muted power chords with a heavy downstroke rhythm at 160 BPM. Focus on locking the pick attack and resting the edge of your palm lightly on the bridge to mute between notes. This produces the percussive chug heard throughout the song. Alternate palm mute and open, low-string chugs to create contrast between verses and choruses, and add occasional pinch harmonics on the downbeats for attitude. Use a syncopated 16th note palm mute pattern and occasional triplet, fills for the aggressive groove, and structure, intro, verse, pre-chorus, chorus, bridge, breakdown, outro. Practice each section 5 to 10 minutes. Map out dynamics so the chorus opens up with less palm mute and more sustained power chords, while the breakdown tightens with syncopated chugs and staccato hits. Isolate the bridge and breakdown, slow them to 60% speed, then incrementally return to 100% to master tricky rhythms. Play with a click or backing track and record practice runs to spot timing and tone issues, then correct small errors deliberately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.